Am I the only one that didn't know Benidorm is this exciting? Or I will show you how to get the best Benidorm experience of your life. I'm Benidorm Scooter Sue, your local guide with a twist. I've got pink hair, a red three-wheeled scooter, and a big love for this vibrant city. Join me as we zip through the bustling streets, soak up the sun, and experience Benidorm from a fresh street-level view. From the lively tapas alley to the stunning Levante beach, we'll uncover hidden gems and local favourites. Plus, I'll show you the accessible side of Benidorm, making sure everyone can enjoy this amazing place. Whether it's festivals, food, or just a friendly chat with the locals, you'll see it all right here. So buckle up and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to never miss an adventure with Benidorm Scooter Sue. Let's explore Benidorm together, one scooter ride at a time. Catch you on the next ride.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Scooter Sue here on a sunny Friday. Dutch bar there, D21. I have yet to come past and see it actually open. Super DZ supermarket over the road. Barber shop. Imperio Latino. It's a new place. A little cake shop there. She is cake. Hairdressers and a massage place there. And a little place where you can book all your day trips. A nail bar. Thanks for watching guys. Hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.